зі станції Вінниця відправляється з 14-ї колії.
We think that it's the last safe day in Kyiv. Not sure, but it's in my sensation. And we prefer to keep our children and to move them into safe place. More safe place than Kyiv. Bring our cat, we bring our children, and we would like to find some safe place for them.
We are living today because we are very scared to be killed by Russian soldiers. We are very scared to receive a rocket to our underground, our house, and we try to live just to stay alive. We left our grandfather, our grandmother, and our flat with every stuff that we had. We just have a little bag and our dog.